guys, thanks for joining me again for another Tuesday shave. We're back in the den. Yay! Sorry. First things first, how are you doing? I hope you had a great weekend and I hope your week has started on a positive note. And Mrs. B has asked me to thank you all for your kind words and your kind comments, that we enjoyed the holiday in Scotland and that we had a safe journey back. And yes, we did. It was a smooth run, it was a great run. Nice 8-hour drive, just what I needed. But yeah, we're back safe and it was absolutely awesome holiday. It's fantastic. So thank you very much from me, Mrs. B. Right, what are we using? Right, since I missed out on the Stirling week last week because I didn't know it was coming up, thanks Chris, I am CDB. Let me know what's going on. I could have took some Stirling with me. Right, I'm going to do my Stirling this week. So we're using Sharp Dressed Man. Fantastic scent. And for you guys that don't know, it's a dupe or their take, Stirling's take on Creed Aventus Green Irish Tweed. And it is gorgeous. I'm doing a lot of Creed scented soaps lately, aren't I? But there's the paw, guys. You can see it. I hope you can see me okay. I'm using natural light. And there's the ingredients. If you want to pause it. I hope you can see that. Got some of my little daisy ball. And we're using the Stirling brush as well. My green band, God, this light's awful. My green band brush, 24mm synthetic knot. And the razor I'm using today, as you can tell from the thumbnail, Muhle Rocca. I love this razor and it is unique. Nice black coating on there, stainless steel, hollow handle, 3-piece razor. And it's unique. There's the base plate. And it's unique, for those of you who don't know, it has no lather channels. So the channels in the head cap and the base plates are supposed to do the job. And inside there today, for the second use, I'm going with a Bluebird. I can't remember the last time I used these, but as far as I remember, they were a good blade, platinum. And it says here, chromium, ceramic, platinum, tungsten, polymer coated edges. And like I say, as far as I remember, they were a good blade. So load that into the razor. Oh, and I've got the results of the giveaway, the winner for the how many miles am I going to cover, journey there, back and around Scotland. I couldn't believe it. Right. Wet the mush. No, I won't. I'm going to lather first. So, oh, and I've had it, Skeletor's been missing out, so I've had it soaking in Skeletor. 3 flicks of the brush so it's wet but not dripping. I flicked it out too much. I'm heavy-handed. That's better. Get a bit of drink in there, a bit of water. Yeah, so yeah, fantastic holiday, guys. But, and apologies as well for not getting back to you on the comments straight away, replying to you. I've had all kinds of problems. On the journey home, during the 8 hours, somebody had been trying to hack into my laptop, hack into my Microsoft account, hack into my Google account, hack into my emails, everything. So I spent all of Sunday trying to sort it out. It wouldn't let me reply to any comments. It wouldn't let me watch any of my videos back on YouTube, and it still won't. It keeps coming up with an error. I'm still trying to sort that out. But I can watch it on my phone. I can watch YouTube and my videos on my phone. I don't understand that because it's all linked. So I don't know what's going on. Anyway, so that's why. So apologies, guys. And I think I'm almost caught up. I don't like not replying. If you've taken the time out to watch these videos, every time I put up and leave a comment, the least I can do is reply to you. And welcome to all the new subscribers. Thank you so much. I've had quite a few this last week. I really appreciate your support. Thank you very much. Look at this. It's cooking up a storm. Click, clack, 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 click. Right, I'm looking forward to this. I should have thought the Stirling soaks myself, because where we weren't really that far away from Stirling in Scotland. So, oh, fantastic place, and I am missing it already. But I am so chilled out and relaxed. It's exactly what the doctor ordered. Right, gotta go with that. That is looking good. Wet the mush. Just re-moisten the whiskers because I'm not longer out of the shower. Not that you needed to know that. Yeah, but I hope you've been having some really smooth shaves, guys. And let me know what your shave of the day is. If you're shaving today, if not, let me know what you're using tomorrow. Right, I'm going to heat the razor up now, but I'm going to heat some hot water so by the time I come around to use it, it should be just right. Right, just trying something different. Oh, what a scent. It's a citrus, woody scent. Green Irish tweed. Now, to me, other people may vary. To me, the woodiness comes out first and the citrus is in the background. It could be the other way around for you. Let me know what you think. What comes first for you, the citrus or the wood? Beautiful. Tidy up. I want to say thank you for the comments and your support with the straight razor as well. I had the emergency services on speed dial just in case. I went as far as I could. Well, actually, I went further than what I thought I would. I'm not crossing over, you're okay. I'm a D razor shaver. Right, here we go. The Muhle Rocca. Bluebird blade, second use with the grain. I can hear the blade and I can see it's cutting, but that is so smooth. It actually felt like I had no blade in the razor. I'll probably feel it more on the second pass. Wow. That's a great blade. Let me know if you've tried these blades, Bluebird. Let me know your thoughts on. That is smooth. I know some of you have done before, but if you're new to the channel, like I said, welcome. If you've got a Muhle Rocca, let me know your thoughts on it and your preferred, I was going to say preference, preferred blade. And you guys. Yeah, the trip, the journey back home, back home, no problems whatsoever. We had roadworks here and there, but it was flowing. Oh, just a quick one. Ian Godfrey How you doing, mate? How are you getting on with the Edmund jacket DE89? Let me know. Because I don't think I'll see you till Saturday. Either send me an email or let me know in the comments, mate. I hope you and Helen are alright. I haven't seen you for a week. And have you found your grandpa's razors yet? Dying to have a look at them. Oh, great first pass. Yeah, the result of the how many miles in a week. Couldn't believe it, guys, honest to God. All will be revealed at the end. And I won't go through what I've used again. You can always rewind it. Not that I need to tell you twice. It's a bit silly. But hey ho. So that part will be the giveaway. Although I miss Scotland, I am missing it, and Mrs. Beers as well. It's nice to be back in the den. Couldn't take the den with me. Right, here we go, guys. Second pass across the grove. Muhle Rocca. This is a beautiful balanced razor. It's handle heavy, but it feels so nice in your hand. No pre-shave. As you know, I like to use the soap for its own qualities, unless it really needs it. Slightly more blade feel, but not much. This is beautiful. Not too sure if I caught myself on the going back then. Just like I felt the blade a little bit more. On the jawbone. Or slightly under the jawbone. What's the weather like where you are? Oh my God, Scotland was better weather than it is in North Wales. It lashed down today. But it is picking up. Sorry, it lashed down yesterday. Wasn't cold though. But it is supposed to be picking up as from today come Wednesday. Supposed to be a build-up of a heat wave coming. But the weather in Scotland, we had 2 days of, yeah, it rained heavy in the night, but in the day it was just showers and light rain. But it was warm. Last Wednesday, I had to strip off, it was that hot. Not totally. I was sitting outside, just watching the loch, looking at the castle. It was just too hot. We had to open all the windows in the cottage. Now we didn't take any hot weather gear with us. Scotland, and it had been up and down, but we picked a great week to go. Scent on this, I'd say the scent strength on this on the face, and I'll put, I would say it's about 4.5. It's really nice, it's there, it's pleasant. Here we go guys, Against the Grove. Yeah, I did catch myself a little bit there, but hey ho. The cushion is excellent on this. Slight sheen to the soap, the leather. Wow. I'll have to hurry this up a little bit because I've been waffling. I don't want it to go over 30 minutes if I can help it. I like to keep the shaves and the videos down to around about 25, 27 minutes. But sometimes you just can't help it, especially when you've got to cover so much stuff. Oh, well, I remembered as well, little shout out. Zane! Little Zane, how you doing, buddy? Oh, you been good for your mum? Grandson. Little Zane. Apparently he's become hooked on watching my videos. Bless him. I don't know, could be me. I'm not sure this blade for the second use is losing its edge. But then again, I have got iron filings for bristles. It's just about gone. Oh, look at there. I didn't do that with the straight. Right, here we go. Lather up for the pickups. Usual suspects under the jawline. Pickup time. Soap does such a good job with the cushion and the glide. Scent's excellent. I love Creed Aventus. Such a high class, it's a classy, this scent, Green Irish Tweed scent came out around about the mid 20th century, and they brought it out for Cary Grant, the actor, and the likes of Clint Eastwood. They love the scent. It's classic. Cold water in. fresh, clean, a fluffy towel. No arm block today. Gonna have a change. There's a cucumber, if you can see it. Nice and refreshing. I picked the wrong bottle up. I've got 2 of them, this one's sealed. That's the second time I've done that. Just bear with me. This time I had something to open it with. That was lucky. Well, it was going to be half an hour-ish. Oh, the scent. So refreshing. I came out a bit quick. It doesn't last, the scent. For those of you who don't know, I'm not going to stink of cucumber. But it's so refreshing. Too long now. Splash, aftershave splash, we're going with the matching splash, Island Man. Hope you can see that. I'm going to have to stop doing it, the light's right in front of me. Oh yeah, wow, God, that's strong, that's nice. Oh, you can really smell the citrus in the splash. The soap, I could smell more of the woodiness. Little weeper there, but we'll allow weepers, they don't count. I'm going with Stirling's unscented. I wonder if we should get a blind for the window. Like a see-through blind, it just dull it a bit. There you go, besides. That's all you need. Right, I'm going to need me. Oh, that's nice. That was nice. I love that razor. I love Stirling soap. I love the scent. Right. Thank you everybody that entered and put the guesses down for the mileage. I really didn't think many people would do it. No, not many people did, but for those of you that did, thank you very much. Right, there was some really good close calls. Jim Henderson, Jim will shave. You were close with 1,280. Brian Erskine, I hope that's how you pronounce your name. I do apologise if I've killed it. You were close with 1,250. Stan Dunham, you were really close with 1,279. The actual mileage that I did last week, travel there to Scotland, travel back and all around Scotland, was 1,274 miles. And the winner is Franklin, here we go, Franklin H. Alden Jr. Well done, mate, and I could not believe it because you guessed 1,274 miles. You got it on the nail. I'm still in shock. I can't believe that happened. I thought, you'd be close, like 3 of you were really close, but Franklin, you hit it on the head, mate. You guessed exactly the mileage that I covered in a week, and you've won the Stirling's Black Ice for the summer, mate. Well done. Thanks everybody for joining in. Franklin, email address at the bottom, mate. Give me your address and I'll get this sent off to you as soon as I can. Thank you, guys. Nice to be back in the den. Thanks for joining me. Enjoy the rest of the week and I'll see you on Friday for the Friday shave. The post-weekend shave. Right, take care, guys. Look after yourself and stay safe. I'll see you Friday. Bye guys.